Okay, folks, so this was a really interesting puzzle here. You can see some of the pieces here were shaped like animals. There were lots of different animals. There's a wolf. There were several wolves. There's a snail and a pig. And there's a Liz Cheney, a rhino. And there's another wolf. I think these are like laser cut or something. There's another wolf in a cool pose on it. It was pretty interesting. Of course, made in China. There's a squirrel. That was cute. Yeah. It was a lot of really interesting shapes, so it was really interesting to put together, I will say. There's an elephant and a horse. And you can see on the back, and it's kind of traced like that. I think these like a laser cut machine or something. There's a parrot, another like toucan looking thing. There's an owl. There's another wolf. There's really interesting pieces. It was definitely a challenge to put together. There's a cow. So anyway, there was a lizard and a little bulldog. There's a butterfly. There was a couple other butterflies too. There's another wolf. It was really cool. It was interesting. I do have another one. There's another wolf. There's another wooden one like this that I want to put together as well. So I don't know. I just like doing these puzzles, and I like time lapse videos. There's a chicken. You can see on the back. Looks really sharp. So it was most likely laser cut. There's a dog. I'd love to have a laser cutting machine. Wouldn't that be cool? I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video.